Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these raspberry and lemon muffins. These are really sweet and fruity, taste really fresh, and a super cute spring baking idea. So here's how to make them. We are going to start by mixing together our lemon zest and our granulated sugar. For this you will need the zest of 1 lemon and some granulated sugar. For the next part of the recipe, we are going to add in our flours. You will need plain flour and baking powder. In a separate bowl, we are going to start on our wet ingredients. For this you will need sunflower oil, a milk of choice, and some eggs. Now that our muffins are all lined in their cases, we are going to make a crumble topping. For this you will need plain flour, granulated sugar, and some soft butter. To finish off our muffins, I'm going to be making a lemon glaze. For this you will need icing sugar and some lemon juice. I'm also going to sprinkle in on some freeze-dried strawberries, but this is completely optional. you guys for watching this video on how to make lemon and strawberry muffins. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out more delicious recipes on my channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming recipes. Thanks for watching, bye!